If your skin feels dry, tight, and stripped no matter how much lotion you put on, it's not you. Sun, chlorine, AC, hot showers, hard water slowly wreck your skin's natural moisture barrier. Now, you could drop $150 to $200 at a luxury spa to bring it all back to life, or you can recreate that high-end recovery in the comfort of your kitchen at the fraction of the price. But grab a random recipe off of Pinterest, and you might make things worse. I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist, and this is your at-home spa masterclass. The simple science of skin natural recovery, plus 3 mistakes that will irritate your skin if you're not careful. First, here's why store-bought luxury sets often fail you. Check the back label sometime. They are often filled with synthetic fillers and cheap fragrances. They smell nice for 5 minutes, but they strip your skin of its natural, beautiful oils, leaving you drier than before. Real recovery is about working with your skin. A cooling refresh to wake up your senses. Gentle botanicals to soften the look of rough skin. And natural waxes to help seal that moisture in. Mistake number 1 is what I like to call the safety guesswork gamble. A lot of people like using cooling agents like menthol that create a beautiful Arctic refresh on the feet. But menthol is very potent. Guess your ratios or follow a random recipe, and you go from refreshingly cool to painful stinging and irritation. Percentages matter. Mistake number 2 is the ingredient hunt waste. To make truly spa-grade products, you need special ingredients like volcanic pumice or quality base oils. But buy them at retail and you're stuck with giant quantities or huge price tags. And mistake number 3 is poor scent anchoring. Ever make a DIY bath soak or something like that and it smells gorgeous, but then when you come to use it, the smell is gone? That's because there's no base note fixer. A rich, heavy essential oil can help anchor that scent into your product. Fixing these mistakes is incredibly simple when your recipe is precise and beginner-friendly. About 15 minutes per make and treatment. For taking care of our feet, we skip sugar and go to volcanic pumice because sugar just melts away in the water. Volcanic pumice actually has the muscle to buff away dried skin. Then we layer in soothing botanicals and seal it with a natural wax, taking skin from rough and depleted to soft and glowing. To make creating your at-home spa easy, I've made this free cheat sheet that I've linked in the description box of this video. It has natural ingredients, recipes, and tips for making your own spa products. Click the link below to get your free cheat sheet of certified aromatherapist recipes and more. Grab the cheat sheet and let's rescue your skin. I'll see you in the next video.